see the garbage selection, and we have 17 slots into the wheel. The first 6 of loose bead design has been used for different bead size, and obviously all the garbage has been used for, for tracing and not for protection. Okay. Then the color wheel. We do have color like red, orange, aquamarine, green, so the same color then all the rest of the lights, so you can match them easily. 2 different color depth correction, city deep blue snapshot from one color to the next one. You can split the beam easily. Boost and garbage like these. There we have the prism. And obviously the speed. Correction time is really fast. Okay, and that's it, gentlemen. So I just want to thank you very much for your attention. If you have some other question, I will be available here in front of the lighting desk. Thank you very much for this. Bye.